I'm gonna do my makeup using a rat filter. Oh my goodness. How you doing? I'm gonna start with some concealer first. Oh, why is it bent like that? Down the nose. My nose looks so long. Next we got contour. Pray for me, guys. Down the sides. Okay, that wasn't too bad. This part will be easy. Oh my gosh, my forehead has never looked this small. I don't feel like this is going to be as difficult as I thought it would be. Look at my mouth. Why does my brush disappear when I look up? I wish my forehead was this small. Cheekbones. That side profile. The nose should be pretty easy. It's just a long straight line. Blend looks good to me. Let's add a bit of blush. This filter is really exposing all my pores. Let's attempt wing eyeliner. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh, no. This feels so wrong, but I have to keep going. Oh, why? I feel like I'm just making it worse. Yes, I'm crazy enough to try some inner corner. Oh, I should have just left it. What was I thinking? Okay, moving on to lips. Okay, there we go. Who's ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Eyeliner is 100% a fail, but come on, what would you guys rate this out of 10? The alphabet makeup challenge? Let's do it. So this is the usual order that I would do my makeup, but if we put that alphabetically, this is how it looks. So I'm starting off with bacon. This feels so wrong. Next is blush. Hopefully it blends okay with the powder there. Carving out my eyebrows. I always just go underneath. I never really go on top. Concealer. I'm kind of scared about putting this on top of the powder. Ooh. Oh no. Do you guys see that? It kind of like won't go past that point. I have to be a lot more aggressive. Okay, it's starting to blend now. It's contour. Let's contour my nose as well, so we'll do a little button. Oh, and we can't forget the 5 head. I may have added a bit too much contour, but it's fine, we'll make it work. Eyebrows next, thank goodness. And then fill it in. Eyeshadow's the next step. Just add a nude shade in the inner corner. Blend in some brown and black eyeshadow into my crease. F for foundation. I only put it around my mouth to kind of colour correct. Got a little foundation mustache. F is also for freckles. H for highlight. L for lashes. Securing the lash. L is also for liner. Lip liner. Lipstick. M for mascara. P is for powder. Primer. No, I'm so scared. Just be gentle. Look at all the makeup that's come off on my hands. Last up is S, setting spray. I'm gonna drench my face. Let that dry down. That is it, we completed it. Let's inspect. To be honest, I'm actually really impressed. It kind of looks better than the way I usually do my makeup. But honest thoughts, guys, how did I do? Subscribe to my channel. Skittles beside my makeup. Face. Green. I mean, green is one of my favourite colours. Next is contour. Come on. Green again. Oh, I think I definitely added way too much of this contour. Concealer. Pink. Hopefully I can make this work. I didn't think green and pink could go together, but it doesn't actually look too bad. Eyeshadow next. Purple. I feel like this is starting to look more like Gamora now. Is it Gamora? Glamora? Graphic liner. Oh, what? How many greens are in this packet? Okay, this is the design I've gone for with the graphic liner. Eyebrows. Don't do me dirty. Oh no. Let's go again. One. I'm gonna do yellow at the front of the brows and then green on the end. Do they just look like the same shade to you? Lips next. If it's green again, I'm gonna scream. This might be my last Skittles Picks My Makeup video because I feel like I've overdone it now. I've done so many of them and I don't want you guys to get bored. Unless you're really enjoying them and you want me to continue, comment and let me know. Details. Come on, let's finish strong. I don't know where I'm going with this design, but who's ready to see the end result? Okay, here's the end result. These paints that I used are actually UV neon glow, so who's ready to see what they look like under the UV light? Here it is with the UV light. It looks so scary but so cool at the same time. Honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? Crazy contour? Let's do it. Take my time. Now for the lines. And try not to breathe too much. Why am I getting nervous? I'm just doing brown lines either side, the concealer lines. It's looking pretty good so far, but we've got a long way to go. I think I've decoded the pattern. The trick to this is you gotta start from one end of the brown and bring it all the way around to the next side of the brown above, if that makes sense. I'm gonna start from here, going all the way around, joining it up here. We got the first part down. Now I started to add some colour with the blush and the contour. Oh, this is never ending. Guys, look how much progress I've made. It took me like 1,000 hours, but it's turning out a lot better than I thought it would. The final line. Be honest, guys, how did I do? Time to blend this out. I'm going to drench my face in setting spray. I'm going to spray my brush too. Start off with the blush first. Oh, it's blending pretty well. Blending that contour, cheekbones. I've switched to a smaller brush for the nose. Moving on to the concealer. Blend out the face. Oh, I should have done a darker shade around my mouth because that looks ashy. And then the forehead. Blend, 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 blend. Finish up with the nose. Okay, here's the end result, guys. Honest thoughts, what do you think? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye! Letting the yes or no filter decide my makeup. Can I do eyebrows? Yes! Brows are done. Can I do foundation? Oh, please, can I wear concealer? Ah! Thank goodness for that. I'm just going in with this iconic London concealer. We're definitely off to a good start, but can I do contour? Oh, come on. No contour, but can I at least do blush? I was starting to lose hope, but the filter's redeemed itself. Looks way better with the blush. Can I do eyeshadow? Maybe. I need an answer. Can I do eyeshadow? Yes! Using the Beauty Bay Neutrals palette on my eyes, but please tell me I can do eyeliner. Yes! So I've just done a bit of inner corner liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Please, 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 can I have lashes? No! No! Please tell me I can at least have mascara. Yes! Going in with the L'Oreal Volume Million Mascara. Can I do lip liner? I don't know. Come on, can I do lip liner? Yes! And what about lipstick? No! How about a little bit of gloss? Yes! Using Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Am I allowed to set my face with some powder? No! What about setting spray? Yes! Going in with Milk Hydro Grip. Okay, filter, to finish off, can I please have some freckles? Yay! I'm using a brown Fenty Stunner lip paint. I guess that's it. What do you guys think? I feel a bit naked without lashes, but I kind of love it. Let's do the crying girl makeup trend. I've been seeing this trend all over social media, so I need to try it because I'm a big crybaby. First, I'm going to go in with this Rem Beauty cream blush and apply that on the bottom of my nose. I'm just going to blend that out with the fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to add some of it right here. Then I'm going to apply some on the outer corners of my eyes and bring it all the way under your lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this Shiseido Plum eyeliner just to create a bit more of like an eye bag right here. And then I'm just going to blend it out. You're going to take some red eyeshadow, lightly go over the areas you put the cream blush. Apply some to the cheeks as well. Just blend that out. You want to go in with like a silvery liquid shimmer or glitter along your bottom lash line and a bit on your inner corner. Then you want to add some mascara, so I'm probably going to need a lot. Apply some on your bottom lashes as well. And then you want to take some tweezers and clump your lashes together. And then add some red eyeliner to your waterline. So I lined my lips with a pink liner and then smudged it out. And I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick and apply that all over my lips. So I've added some of this MAC liquid lip colour in the centre here, on my cupid's bow and underneath. I went in with this Kylie clear lip oil all over my lips. And then this red Ciati pumping gloss in the centre and on my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to take this clear MAC lip gloss and I'm going to apply some of it right under my nose. And I'm putting some under my eyes to look like tears. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm finishing off with a bit of highlight on my cheekbones and my nose. Okay, who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, here's the end result. Do I look like I've been crying? Honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Comment and let me know, do you guys have a cute cry face or an ugly cry face? Thanks for watching. What I get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. So first up we've got a mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I think I know what this one is. Some more contact lenses from Coloured Contacts. Now they've sent me some more natural looking ones, so I can't wait to try these. We got some more lenses from TTDI. There's like 15 pairs in here. That's a lot of lenses. Next up, we got some goodies from Meron. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. Next is a package from Revolution. It's their collection with Sarah New SFX. We've got a paint palette, an eyeshadow palette, lashes, and a brush set. Next up is Sephora. Oh. Okay. So we've got hair oil, an all-day hydrator, eye cream, face mask, rose quartz face roller, a vegan makeup brush, an eyeshadow palette, a lip plumper, mascara, and a lipstick. Oh my goodness. So this one is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's all soft and fluffy. It's her limited edition holiday collection. We got 2 lip kits, highlighter, look at that, and an eyeshadow palette. Nice nude shades in there. And last up, I've got this Revolution advent calendar. But as another thank you to you guys for supporting me and always showing love, I want to give it away to one of you instead, because I've got more than enough makeup here already. So keep an eye out on my community post for that announcement coming soon. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching.